How to sign up for Costco membership online. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can sign up for a Costco membership online. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up a browser and in the search bar, you could search for Costco membership sign up. That's gonna take you to this page here. Now navigate to the first link on your interface. Now you'll be taken into this page where you can create the Costco membership account. Here, scroll down and you have to explore this available option. Scroll down a bit and here choose your membership type, whether you want personal membership or the business membership. So according to your preferred choice, choose one from here. If you head over with personal membership, you will have executive membership and also gold star membership. And here all of the details regarding this membership offer is given here. If you want to see this benefit details, head over to this option, then you could explore more details. Now from here, select your preferred membership, then click on start saving and earning. Now you'll be taken in this page where you have to complete the form. So fill out the online form with your personal information. Enter your first name, your last name, date of birth, all of your address information. Again, you could add your phone number, then click on save and continue. So after that, you'll be prompted for your payment process where you will receive an email with your new membership number. Your membership card will not be mailed. For that, you have to pick up them in person. Now you have to bring the documents such as your email confirmation with your member or your government issued photo ID to the membership counter in order to collect your physical membership card. And once you collect your card and once your membership is active, now you could access all of your digital membership card through the Costco mobile application. So that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.